Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. In this video I'm doing the simplest haircut of all time, the Even Steven. That's all even, all around. And I'm doing it in real time while holding a camera. And I'm gonna need you guys to bear with me on this one. The final shot of this haircut, you guys already know I saved for last, so make sure you watch this video all the way through until the end. Like, shares, and comments will help this video gain traction so that other people can watch it and learn. Now, before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any new tutorials. Alright guys, let's get started. The first step is to establish the length. All of his hair is going to be even. My client has asked me for a number 1, and he wants me to go against the grain. So for this exercise, I'm using the 380 ACP by Caliber with the detachable blade marked number 1. The next step is to create the lineup. This one's going to be a little tricky, you'll see. For this exercise, I'm using the Monster 99 by Caliber. The next step is to clean up your lineup with a straight razor. To give this haircut a more modern look, I'm going to fade out the sideburns. For this exercise, I'm using the original 50 cal mag by Caliber. Alright guys, if your Even Steven looks like this or better, you've done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and remember to always keep practicing. All of the trimmers and clippers that I've used in this video are provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.